Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about terminology and benefits, part of programming in C++ course. The following are some of the key terms and benefits of object-oriented programming in C++. A class is a blueprint that defines the properties and methods of objects. In C++, classes are used to model real-world objects and their interactions. An object is an instance of a class. An object has its own state and behavior and can interact with other objects by sending messages to them. A method is a function that is associated with a class. Methods operate on the data of an object and can change its state. Inheritance is a mechanism that allows a new class to be derived from an existing class. The derived class inherits the properties and methods of the base class and can add or modify them as needed. Polymorphism is a mechanism that allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common base class. This makes it possible to write generic code that can work with objects of different types. Encapsulation is a mechanism that allows the implementation details of an object to be hidden from other objects. This helps to ensure that objects can only be manipulated in a controlled and consistent way. Abstraction is a mechanism that allows objects to be modeled at a high level of generality, ignoring the details of their implementation. This makes it possible to write code that is easier to understand and maintain. Some of the benefits of object-oriented programming in C++ include reusability. Classes can be reused in multiple programs, making it easier to write and maintain code. Modularity. Programs can be divided into smaller and more manageable parts, making it easier to understand and debug code. Abstraction. Programs can be written at a high level of generality, making them easier to understand and maintain. Polymorphism. Programs can be written to work with objects of different types, making them more flexible and adaptable. Encapsulation. Implementation details can be hidden from other objects, making it easier to protect data and ensure that objects are manipulated in a controlled and consistent way. Inheritance. Classes can be derived from the existing classes, making it easier to reuse code and extend existing functionality. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.